Are you in need of a combine harvester for your rice and other grains? Welcome to Shanghai Honggang Manufacturing Company, the leading manufacturer of agri machinery in China. Now behind me here is our combine harvester with the horsepower of 104 horsepower. So with this, you can use to harvest rice. You can also use to harvest other grains like soya beans and many other cereals like supu and the rest. So with this, our machines are made with efficiency in terms of fuel consumption. So the fuel consumption is very low. And so if you are buying, do not think about spending so much about the fuel consumption. And then aside that, the engines are of high volume. So with this, we can do customization for you. This combine harvester can be customized. And the good news is that the reliability and then the after-sales service support is 100% available. And so if you want us to install the cage here where the driver may not be drenched by rain, we can do it for you. And so if you look down here with this lifter, if you are harvesting rice, there is something you must do and we will teach you how to use it. Besides that, if you are harvesting maize or whatever, then we can adjust the label down there. So that is it, and our prices are very cheap because we are the production company in China.